Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video. In today's video I'm going to be creating a set using the Diamond Nail Supplies acrylic system that I unboxed yesterday. If you haven't seen that and you'd like to watch it, then I will add it in the cards for you to find easier. So the colours I'm going to be using is Bear, Pistachio, Silk and Clarity, which is their clear. So I'm using the Euphoria's medium coffin tips today. So yeah, I'm going to be doing some French and some ombres. So my first step that I do, I've already prepped my nails off camera. Sorry, I've got something in my throat. Yeah, I'm using their acrylic monomer as well, and I'm using the size 12 Lindsay brush from Euphoria nails. So I'm going to go in with their Dehydrator. You may notice that I don't actually put it all over some of my nails. That's purely because I've still got a little bit of clear acrylic left on there from when I took my previous set off. I like to leave just a thin layer just so I don't damage my nails because of how often I redo my nails. So yeah, I was having trouble opening this bottle. My hands really didn't want to work today. So yeah, I did struggle today with my hands, unfortunately, but I still managed to get a set out for you. So this is their acid-free primer. And again, I'm going to go in with a thin, clear layer. As I say in all my videos, I like to do a thin, clear base on my natural nails so that I've got something to file back down to. Because of obviously how often I do my nails, it's a lot safer and easier to just go down to the clear layer. And I don't damage my nails doing that. So yeah, as you can see, I'm going in with a thin layer, and then my first nail that I'm going to be doing is my ring finger, and I'm going to be doing a French on this one using Bear. Excuse me. So yeah, I will let you watch this first part, and then I will come back in a little while and tell you what I thought about the Diamond Nail Supplies acrylic system. Sorry, my phone just went off. I normally put it on silent, but I forgot. So yeah, I will be back shortly. So what I think about diamond nail supplies. So first off, I want to say I haven't been asked to do this video. I purchased these products with my own money, and I wanted to test out the different acrylic brands that I can get in the UK. So yeah, I came across this one from another YouTuber, so I thought, well, let's see what they're like. So as you can see, I've used the Bear, which is the nude acrylic, which went on amazingly, and then I've used Silk, which is their milky white, and now I'm using the Pistachio, which is their coloured acrylic. So this coloured acrylic, this particular colour, is a strength powder, but because all my other brands that I use, their colours are only for design purposes only, I am going to use these coloured acrylics as a design purposes only. So I don't get confused then of which ones I can use as design and which one I can use as a core powder. So yeah, that just get that little bit out of the way. Excuse me. Yeah, sorry about the door. Hubby's coming in to make me a coffee. So I got a good one there. Yeah, so I'm doing an ombre on this one, and as you can see, the coloured acrylic, in fact all the acrylics that I've used on here, actually stay in place when you put it on the nail. It doesn't run off to the sides. On my French nail it did a little bit, but that was my first bead of actually doing it using the product on myself, other than doing the swatching. So that wasn't too bad for the first one, but all the rest of the nails and the process all worked amazingly. I would recommend these to new nail techs and advanced. These ones are actually suitable for all types of nail technicians. I was trying to find the right word there. Yeah, and yeah, I am gonna leave you watch the rest of this application process. I do show you capping my thumb, but I do the rest off of camera, and I also file and buff off of camera, and I will come back to you when I'm at the design process. Okay, so I have filed and buffed off camera. I've zoomed in already because I'm going to show you what colours I'm using and it's ready for the design. So I'm using Viper from Nailchemy, which is from their Dragon Glass collection. Using Bright White Gel Liner from Bettles, and I'm going to go in and do some swirly lines on my pinky and my ring finger. I'd already done my thumb off camera because I didn't know what I was going to do, so I tested it out on my thumb and I liked it, so I thought we'll do it similar on my others. So yeah, this dragon glass is actually magnetized, so you'll see when I do my ring finger I use a funky like flower patterned magnet, and it gives this most gorgeous little flower in with it obviously magnetized, and it looks so gorgeous. So yeah, I am doing just a couple of swirls with this one a bit thicker and one a bit thinner. On my ring finger I do the French part with this Viper gel polish. Then on the middle finger I do that one at the end where I do a 3D flower on it, and my pointer finger has the same design as my pinky minus the white line, because obviously it's almost a white background so you wouldn't really see it. So yeah, I will let you watch the rest of this play out, and I will be back near the end when it's top coat time. Okay, so top coat is actually a little bit earlier than expected, but I want to top coat my nails before I go ahead and do the 3D flowers. I just find it easier top coating first and then doing the flowers on top. So yeah, I'm going to do the Diamond Nail Supplies well, they call it a tack free top coat. I'm going to do that on all 4 fingers because obviously I've already done my thumb, and then I'm going to do the 3D flower. I will let that play out for you, and you can watch it with just the music on in the background. Me personally, at the end of it, I didn't really like how it looked. I wished I'd only put the 1 crystal in the middle and not the one at the top and the bottom as well, because the middle 2 petals just didn't look quite right. But I think it would have looked fine if I'd only done that 1 crystal. So I've used the silk acrylic that I used on my pointer finger. Yeah, pointer finger, had to look then. Just to create the petals. And then at the end I go in with Diamond Nail Supplies Cuticle Oil, and that will be my design set finished. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, give me a like and a comment would be great. I'd love to interact with you, and I will catch you in my next video. Goodbye.